The ICC Champions Trophy unveils in UAE and Pakistan in 2 days' time. It is supposed to be the strongest one-day tournament on offer, with the top 8 cricket nations locking horns in a format which is struggling to stay afloat in the time of T20 and franchise cricket. The hybrid model for the tournament was necessitated by the refusal of India to play in Pakistan. The Indians will play all their matches in Dubai and will have an advantage of playing at the same venue, while their opponents will crisscross between venues to play the other matches. India is grouped along with Bangladesh, New Zealand and Pakistan. An India-Pakistan blockbuster clash has been a regular feature of ICC tournaments, and the two neighbors have dished out engrossing battles in the past. Pakistan are the defending champions after they crushed India in the final at Lord's 8 years ago. Indians will be looking for revenge this time around. However, India will be hard-pressed to repeat their dominance over Pakistan in recent ICC tournaments. Pakistan have a good record in Champions Trophy and have beaten India regularly. Indians have to sort out a few problems of their own before they try to win the trophy for the first time in 12 years. India will be without their biggest match winner Jasprit Bumrah, who is injured. Mohammad Shami is rusty after his long injury layoff and looks below his best. Indian medium-pace attack looks short of experience. Arshdeep, who was a surprise pick over Siraj, and Harshit Rana, who replaced Bumrah, will be under pressure. The conditions in Dubai have favored the chasing teams and toss has become a vital factor. Moreover, it is medium paces who have had more success than the spinners. Indian spin-heavy attack will be challenged. Varun Chakraborty, a last-minute addition, will have a big role to play. Captain Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli are on their last hurrah and will want to do well in what will be their last ICC tournament. Rohit made a timely return to form against England, and with informed Shubman Gill will be hoping to give India a flying start in the tournament. With Shreyas Iyer finding his mojo against England, the Mumbai batter will be the key man in the middle order. Hardik Pandya is the important cog in the team, as he has to shoulder the key responsibility of the third seamer and will don the role of a finisher as well. India will be wary of New Zealand, who have always lifted their game whenever they have played each other. Kiwis have a balanced side with power hitters, sharp medium paces and wily spinners. New Zealand is high after winning the Tri-Nation tournament in Pakistan, and their players have considerable experience playing in similar conditions. And India cannot afford to take their opening opponents Bangladesh lightly either. Bangladesh can pull off upset on their day, as Indians horribly found out in 2007. Pakistan in the run-up to the tournament has not been in great form but remains a dangerous side, and Indians have their task cut out.